suffer with them.
More of the Emperor's forces are here for us. I mean, you. Has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator. Enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
For now. Let's go talk to Mort and find out what's going on.
Rivet, you are just the best! Yellow down the fort. Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the Seekerpede and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off!
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, Kit. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Mortis helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede.
Attention, Sargasso. Emperor sends his warmest greetings. The subtle heads of cognizant derision.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself.
Right. Or not. Either way. The Emperor's not just going after the Morts. He is taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. I put a lot of thought into it. I hope you don't mind I watched from a distance. I'm just exhausted from eliminating your allies.
I've seen better resisting, to be honest.
A lot of talk for a hologram.
Why would I waste my energy fighting? You and your fellow rebels will soon be a memory, along with this sluggish for a planet.
Threatening me over holograms. Classy.
Instilling fear from a distance is a common tool of oppressors. I have seen it many times in my studies. Our troopers will assist in your compliance.
What species about Lombards that makes them so persistent?
Counterpart is even more annoying, believe me.
What do you hope to do? Release that ramshackle Seekerpede? Oh, how quaint your little mind must be.
Just you wait, Lotus. There are big, expansive plans to throw us a gap.
Steady there, Doctor. We don't want to spoil the surprise.
Surprise? Let's keep after Maynard.
That
Seekerpede.
So many ships. The Emperor's being very thorough.
It'll be okay. We'll free the Seekerpede and the fight will start going our way. It will. Somebody must be missing a lot of crates.
Outside of space and time with nothing to nosh! My gains are fading! Watch the burn, Travis!
You will pay for this! I am coming for you! Wish the best for you in death.
Satisfying.
All right, thingamajigger, here we come.
I am looking forward to examining that anomaly.
So, when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what I imagined.
Kit? Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This is an electric sphere.
Oh, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
He's traveling to Ardois with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh, so that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional déjà vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
Does that spinner geyser look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost.
This should elevate things.
That's intriguing. The spinner geyser converted the dimensional energy into action. You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
How bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that the dimensional cataclysm has been intensifying even faster than I expected.
I assume the Emperor stealing the Dimensionator and firing it recklessly has something to do with that.
That would do it all right.
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shy.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, kid, to both of you. What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too.
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
Look at you, kid. You're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives. So if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be.
Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together, but I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how...
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing. Wow, feeling lighter already.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing. Super heavy energy? Fascinating.
Kid, you know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
But you are. Trying to fill in for your father. Helping Clank and I navigate all of this. You are doing that. And succeeding.
In that case, go us!
Go us. That Spinergizer could use some energizing.
Kit, I am so proud of you. Well done.
I could not have done it without you, Barry.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battle cruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
Try to use my own syncopede against me. Oh, I do love watching others embarrass themselves.
Yes! How could you possibly hope to defeat me, the Marius?
Right. Honestly, I can see. Now, I want to see how far you can go before I trample you.
Now, I want to see how far you can go. You're about to find out.
Unlock access breach the cruiser!
Sorry to crash the party.
That might have been that.
Drop the shotgun, brother. Help our parents.
This should do the trick.
Maybe there's a way to
You there, Rivet? We locked on the Kit's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
What a show! Let's make things a little more interesting, shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructo beams.
Planetary devastation! Finally!
Did he just say planetary devastation? All right, Trudy, let's do this.
Rivet, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
You can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky syncopede.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. We're flying like a dream, Trudy.
Yes, thank you for not throwing us off. Generators on the decks of those cruisers should be no problem for Trudy.
Take this and that, but don't forget about this, don't you know?
One down. A lot more to go.
Oh, a cruiser has been destroyed. I'm devastated. Whatever will I do? I know. Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Shields? Ah, it just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Rudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
There are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these.
Take that, Emperor Nefarious.
Nice hit. Let's keep it up.
That lizard has bombs now?
I grew tired of waiting. All cruisers increase beam strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken.
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Rivet. We are all counting on you two.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We must act quickly and destroy the other battle cruisers.
Mayday! Mayday! They winged us! Gonna attempt a water landing! It's all up to you now, Rivet!
Trifle thinks she can stop us. Concentrate all power on the planet.
This is for Sargasso.
Exterminate all of those flying creatures, too. Obliterate them!
You did it!
We did it.
Oh, there they are!
Hey!
Rivet and Kit! Rivet and Kit!
All right. You're welcome.
Mort, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rips, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out. Let's get to Zerky's. Maybe Ratchet and Clank have some good news.
Well, if it isn't my favorite customer.